Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I'm going to make a no sweat recycled home decoration. These are all recycled materials that you can hang in your home or even in your office. Just something to look at when you're feeling down or if you want to be inspired for the day. So, you want to know my favorite wisdom? Here it goes. You may have a long way to go, but remember how far you have come. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.